Here is Peruvian sautéed pork called Saltado de Cerdo. Serves 4 and takes about 25 minutes to prepare. Quick, savory, and bright. 1 pound pork loin sliced thin. Choose a lean cut and slice against the grain into 1/4-inch strips. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to sear the pork quickly and evenly. 1 large red onion sliced into strips. This adds sweetness and crunch to the saltado. 2 Roma tomatoes cut into wedges. They will stay slightly firm and add fresh acidity. 2 cloves of garlic minced. Garlic gives the dish its aromatic base. 1 tablespoon soy sauce to add savory umami. 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar to brighten the flavors. 1 teaspoon Amarillo paste for a gentle Peruvian heat and fruity flavor. Salt and black pepper to taste. Season the pork lightly before cooking. 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro for a fresh finish. Cooked white rice to serve alongside the saltado. Prepare 1½ cups uncooked rice for 4 servings. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Pat the 1 pound of pork loin slices dry with paper towels and season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper evenly. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until the oil is shimmering about 1 minute. Add half the pork slices and sear without overcrowding for about 2 minutes per side until nicely browned. Remove to a plate and repeat with the remaining pork. Return the skillet to medium heat and add the minced 2 cloves of garlic and 1 large sliced red onion. Sauté for about 3 minutes until the onion softens but still has some bite. Add the 2 Roma tomato wedges and cook for about 1 minute, just to warm them through while keeping their shape. Pour in 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, and 1 teaspoon Amarillo paste. Stir for about 30 seconds to deglaze the pan and coat the vegetables. Return all seared pork to the skillet and toss with the sauce and vegetables for about 1 minute until heated through and well coated. Taste and adjust seasoning with up to 1/4 teaspoon more salt if needed. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro over the skillet and toss briefly. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Spoon the sautéed pork and vegetables onto plates alongside the cooked white rice and serve immediately. This is the final step. Enjoy and please like, subscribe and ring the bell. That is our Peruvian sautéed pork saltado de cerdo. Serves 4 and takes about 25 minutes. If you liked this recipe, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell for more.